Hello and welcome to ProjectWise Administrator Fundamentals Accreditation course. Purging ProjectWise documents. In this lesson, we will learn how to properly purge documents once we have complete working with them. We will also discuss the reason why we should never delete the files directly from the working directory. Finally, we will learn about local document organizer and how it can help users to better manage files locally. When we work with ProjectWise documents day in and day out, from the minute we view the document or make changes to the document via checking out and checking in, there are copies of these documents that are left behind on the user local drive, also referred as the ProjectWise working directory. We can purge individual documents by selecting the document itself or documents, right mouse click, purge local copy. This does not delete the documents that every project team member have access to. It simply just removes the temporary copy from our local working directory. We can also purge documents from a selected folder as well by right mouse clicking the folder and purge copies. When we finish working on a particular project or work area and we know that we no longer need to have those files related to that project or work area, we can simply select the project or the work area, right mouse click, purge copies. We will be asked if we want to purge the documents from the subfolders as well. Go ahead and click yes. And we know the documents from that project or work area has been purged from our working directory. There is another method which allows us to purge documents from a single dialog window, and it is the local document organizer. We can open the dialog window by clicking on the local document organizer icon right under the menu. Here, with the red check icon, it lists out all the documents that we are currently working on. Yes, we can select the documents, right mouse click. We can check in as well as leave a copy in the working directory. We can update server copy or even free the document, but leave a copy in the working directory. Nowhere in ProjectWise does it allow us to purge a checkout document. So this is the best and secure method to purge documents while we are in a ProjectWise session. Here is the working directory for the data source that we are connecting right now. If we would have deleted the working directory from the File Explorer, then these checkout documents would have been deleted as well. This is the reason why we should never directly delete ProjectWise documents from File Explorer. When we click the Open Book icon, it will list all the documents that we have either viewed or opened it as read-only. We can select multiple documents, right mouse click, purge copy. When we click on the disk icon, this is the document that is currently exported, and we are expecting the changes to be imported back into ProjectWise. When we click on the workspace copies icon, these are the resource files, font libraries, cells that are used by MicroStation. We can also select these files and right mouse click, purge copy. Bear in mind, if we do this, next time it will take ProjectWise some time for it to download these files again. There is a user setting which will bring up this local document organizer window every time when ProjectWise Explorer session ends. It can be found under Tools, Options, Settings, User Interface, Show Local Document Organizer on Logout. There are 3 options. By default, it will not bring up a dialog automatically. Show Always. I would not recommend this option because this local document organizer will open when an Office application ends. It will also open when a MicroStation session ends, as well as ProjectWise Explorer. When users see the local document organizer too frequently, they will tend to ignore it. So I will definitely recommend using the option Show in ProjectWise Explorer only. Let's go ahead and hit OK. Now let's end ProjectWise Explorer session, and I hope you have enjoyed learning ProjectWise Explorer functionalities. And yes, we do see the local document organizer dialog window. It will not force the users to check in the files, but rather this is just a good reminder of the files that we are currently checking out. During this lesson, we have learned the proper methods to purge ProjectWise documents once we have complete working with them. We also learned why we should never delete the files directly from the working directory, as well as what local document organizer is.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.